Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV14 is emitting an unusual smell and losing suction, it's likely due to a clogged or dirty filter, which can cause overheating and even permanent damage if left unattended. Regular maintenance is essential to keep your vacuum functioning optimally and to prevent these issues from escalating. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a replacement filter. First, ensure your Dyson SV14 is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Begin by removing the dust container from the main body. Simply press the button and pull it away from the unit. Next, locate the filter on the top of the motor. You may need to twist it counterclockwise to detach it from the machine. If it's particularly stuck, gently wiggling it can help. Once removed, inspect the filter for any signs of dirt or damage. If it's dirty, rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear, but ensure you do not use any detergents. Allow the filter to dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. If the filter is damaged or excessively dirty, replace it with a new one. To install the new filter, simply align it with the slot and twist it clockwise until it clicks into place. Be cautious not to over-tighten it, as this could damage the threads. After securing the filter, reattach the dust container by aligning it with the main body and pushing it back into place until you hear a click. Finally, plug your Dyson SV14 back in and turn it on to ensure everything is working smoothly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean the filter every month and replace it every 6 months, depending on usage. Keeping your vacuum free of blockages and regularly checking for wear can help maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.